Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since my last makeup video update. Australian weather is changing. My stupid face is so itchy from the allergy reaction of hay fever. This water gel based anti-wrinkle serum contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5, suitable for all skin types, especially designed for wrinkles, loss of volume and elasticity, tight and dull skin. Recommend to use it day and night after toning and before moisturizer. I use this moisturizer to protect my skin from pollution damage. The Circular Bright Complex promotes my skin for brightening, and the new Nurena technology can boost up the skin ability, help skin to self-repair damage, and improve the appearance of dark spot, discoloration, and signs of aging. Let's do makeup together! The design of the complex is so beautiful and eye-catching. It contains rosehip extract that moisturizes and calms skin to turn it into doughy skin. The Light Fit formula keeps skin bright and long time by increasing the lasting power of makeup. And here is the makeup brush set with a very cute cat makeup pouch with fluffy tail. It comes with 12-piece professional brushes. All the brushes made with ultra soft synthetic hair. The cat paw face powder brush is so cute. I use my favorite loose powder to seal the base makeup. Start from the T-zone and chin, then dusting on the cheek. My face is so itchy. I love this brown pencil because it is so convenient, so I don't have to carry so many different brown products on my pouch. Draw browns with pencil in light brown to match with my hair color. I will let my hair bend down. It will cover my eyebrows anyway. Then use an angled brush to blend the brown to look more natural. My stupid lip is so dry. Put on this lip treatment to rehydrate a kissable lip. Start from the eye makeup, apply the glow shimmering eyeshadow. Apply on the front half of upper eyelid. It can brighten my eyes just with this eyeshadow, one single touch. And then applying the orange coral shimmering eyeshadow on the end half of the upper eyelid. And use index fingers to dab and build the pigment of the color. Use a small eyeshadow brush to apply the same product on the outer corner of the lower eyelid. Use crayon eyeshadow pencil in burgundy to draw a blockhead eyeliner on upper eyelid. It will overlay with the orange coral shimmering eyeshadow together. Also have to draw the outer corner of the lower eyelid. And I use eyeliner in black to define my eyes. Start from the outer corner of the eyes. So draw the eyeliner panel in lines instead of wrinkling up. For the lower eyeliner, also keep it parallel too. After draw the line, use an angle brush to blend the line into a puppy look eye. After that, I use a brown contour tool to draw eagle eye. You can see I don't have eagle eye as I don't have much eagle. So just use the brown pencil in brown to contour the eye bag. Everyone might have the hidden eye bags while smiling like an idiot. Then use the brown concealer to highlight the eye bags. And I use this powder highlighter to create the illusion of puffiness. I will actually consider to inject filler to make a gill eye on my under eye. So should I get it done? So nearly done today eye makeup look. Let's put some glitters on the lower eyelid. And don't forget to put on the upper eyelid as well. And quickly we'll put some opal green glitters on the upper eyelids. For the glitters, we put it on the front of the upper eyelid. Here they are the cockroach legs. Nope, the 4 eyelashes for us. So the eye makeup is done in here. So you can find this lipstick brand from the Korean gift store, The Butter. This is a really nice silky smooth lightweight lip color, but today I'm trying to use it as a cheek color. Just need to dab a little amount on the cheek and blend it with your fingers. It performs really well to achieve a glass skin cheek makeup. Before applying lipstick, use a concealer to cover my stupid lip and try to make it look smaller. Sorry guys, I'm sorry for using my middle finger. This lip crayon provides a lot of pigmentation and the color is really strong. And the color is exactly the same as what the packaging is showing. In the market, it's hard to find a matte lipstick crayons that do not dry out your lip. It keeps my lip hydrated all day and don't need to retouch my lip makeup anymore. I recommend you to use it as a moisturizing lip tint throughout the day. For the final step of today's Park Bom spring makeup look, we highlight the nose bridge, especially the end of the nose. Thanks guys for watching my tutorial. Please give me a lot of likes and subscribe my channel. If you have any question regarding makeup or advice, you're welcome to leave me a message on comment. See y'all!